Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Tom Yum soup. For this we require 200 grams of tomato chopped, cabbage, capsicum, onion, ginger, garlic, black pepper powder and salt and egg. So let's start making Tom Yum soup. Firstly, in a pan or a kadhai, add around 1 teaspoon of oil, normal vegetable oil. Now add half a teaspoon of very finely chopped ginger and half a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Cook till garlic changes color. Now add 2 teaspoons of chopped onion and cook till onion is transparent. Now add approximately 2 teaspoons of cabbage, chopped cabbage, and cook for another half a minute and add 200 grams of chopped tomato, approximately 4 chopped tomato medium size. Add salt to taste. Put gas on high flame and cook till tomato is soft. Now our tomato is soft. I'm gonna add a little bit of capsicum for extra flavor. If you don't like capsicum, you can avoid it. It is for color and little more flavor. Now add approximately 200 ml of water and bring it to a boil. Once your soup is boiling, take 2 eggs, put little bit of pepper and little bit of salt and mix the egg or beat little bit. Now on a high flame, mix egg and stir continuously and cook till your soup is thickened and egg is cooked properly. It will take around 1 minute and your Tom Yum soup is ready to serve.